Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Visual Studio Code for Salesforce. First, you'll need to download and install Visual Studio Code, a powerful and free code editor, available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next, install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI. This essential tool provides a robust set of commands for developing and managing your Salesforce applications, acting as a bridge between your local environment and your Salesforce organizations. These two installations form the foundation of your development setup. Once Visual Studio Code is installed, the next crucial step is to add the Salesforce extension pack. Open the extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. In the search bar, type Salesforce Extension Pack and click Install. This pack includes several extensions vital for Salesforce development, such as Apex, Lightning Web Components, and Sockle, providing features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging capabilities, significantly enhancing your coding experience. With the extensions in place, it's time to connect to your Salesforce organization. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P and type SFDX, Create Project. Choose a standard project template and give your project a name. Then, use SFDX, authorize an org from the command palette. You'll be prompted to select your organization type, such as a sandbox or production environment, and then log in through your browser. This establishes a secure connection, allowing Visual Studio Code to interact with your Salesforce data. Now you're ready to begin developing. The basic workflow involves retrieving, modifying, and deploying your Salesforce metadata. Use the command palette to run SFDX, retrieve source and manifest from org to pull components like Apex classes or Lightning Web Components to your local project. After making your desired changes in Visual Studio Code, you can deploy them back to your Salesforce organization using SFDX, deploy source to org. This iterative process allows for efficient development and testing of your Salesforce customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.